What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been at least 2 months since I've posted a video, but you know, I've been really busy with finding work and working when I finally did find work. And yeah, today I didn't really have anything to do for a video, any ideas, but I've been sitting on this one for a while, and there's going to be 2 videos of this. This will be part 1. Now what I thought I'd do in this video is, as you can see by what's written here, going to be basically custom building pretty much my personal dream computer. I may not be able to afford it at the moment, but it'll definitely be somewhere, something to do in the future. Now this will be a little bit of a budget build as well, so instead of going for the full tower or the mid tower, I might go for one of these smaller ones here, like the small form factor or the micro ATX, micro ATX, or whatever it's called. I apologise for butchering the shit out of that. I prefer not to have a cooling system, a liquid cooling system. So if I can avoid that, that'd be great. So I'm just going to have a quick read through with the with what's here. You'll notice here that it's the liquid cooling system, which is what I do not want. Yeah, there's probably not many here that don't have the liquid cooling system. But yeah, what I'm going to do is pretty much just jump into it. This first one is through the Origin website, Origin PC Corporation. This isn't a sponsored video by all means, but for sure I will do like a rough budget build, and then it's got, as you can see down here, it's got the starting prices and all that sort of stuff, and the monthly payoffs and that sort of stuff as well. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to get started. So for this build, I reckon I'll try, I'll just do the small form factor for this one, I reckon. Now my internet's a little bit slow, so just bear with it. And yeah, so basically this is the case we'll be using. So up in the top right hand corner, it's got here to customize. So we shall customize. Alrighty, now first we can do all the we can like customize the colors, which I don't mind the red, but yeah, the black looks alright. Then you got the red, then you got the white. Now personally, I don't mind either way, so I'm going to go with the black with blue lighting. And yeah, you can have your custom prints on there, or you can choose one of their themes, which that actually looks pretty badass. So what I might do is keep that. So the interior color, I chose blue. I don't know what I don't know exactly what accent colour they were after, but anyway, I'll keep that on red. Now metallic, we can have like a metallic blue as well, but then I'm pretty sure that resets everything, so if we keep it like that, that actually looks pretty cool for me, I reckon. So yeah, that's the way it looks So now we'll go on to step 2, the technology build. Now I don't know how long these videos are going to be either, because there's another site which I will go into at the end. So yeah, we got 2 to choose from, I think. Yep, 2 processors to choose from. Now you'd think obviously I'd go for the Z170, which, you know, maybe, yeah, why not? I did say it was going to be a bit of a budget build, but we'll see what happens. And yeah, I'm just looking at all these as well, so yeah, I'll stick with the Z170 processor at the moment, and yeah, we've got the build, so build system. So I'm not exactly sure. Case lighting, I think we've already done, but mine's blue. Yeah, I would prefer fans more than liquid cooling system. Power supply, I think I'll keep as the 450 watt for now, and see what happens. The motherboard, yeah, I reckon I'm not just going for this because it says recommended there, but I'm just going to keep it as that at the moment. Cooling system, I prefer not to have the liquid cooling system, like I keep saying, but you know, can't help it. Now I will do the top of the range processor here, because I would like something pretty fast. And now the processor overclocking, to be honest, this is actually the first I've seen this much of it about it. But yeah, I'll definitely chuck on that. Origin PC Professional processor overclocking DT. Sorry. Definitely get that thermal compound. Now for the graphics card, just having a look at what's here, but I reckon once again it's going to be expensive as crud, but I'm going to chuck chuck this on. Actually, I'll chuck this one here on. Graphics, yeah, I'll definitely chuck in the graphics. Now for the memory, I wouldn't mind. Actually, this isn't too bad. I'll go straight for the premium. That's the 32 gig one down here. Operating system. Yeah, I'll keep it as home because I'll be using it for mainly home things. If it was, I might later on upgrade to professional, but for now I'll keep it as Windows 10 home. I haven't had much of a play around with Windows 10 either, so yeah, that'll be interesting to get to do. Now RAID. Yes, I'll definitely RAID 5, I reckon. Now, for a hard drive 1, which is the operating system drive, I will chuck in, I reckon I'll chuck in at least a terabyte. To be honest, I've never really heard much about the PCIe M2 drives, so I'm not sure what to do here. So what I'll do is I'll just chuck in the 512 SATA. I reckon I'll chuck in the 1 terabyte. Now a solid state drive, definitely chuck in the 4 terabyte, I reckon. Now as you can see on the right hand side, it's getting up to nearly $5,000. Now I do understand that this is more than likely in American currency, in the US currency. So what I will do in a separate window is I'll see how much it'll cost me in Australian currency. Now we've got a third hard drive, which I'll chuck a 2 terabyte in for the second hard drive. Fourth hard drive, I'll chuck in another 2 terabyte. Storage drive, now I don't know exactly exactly too much about the RAID configuration drives and all that sort of stuff, so I'm just going to chuck in RAID 1 onto the storage drive RAID configuration section. Storage drive 1, I reckon I'll chuck a 2 terabyte onto that. Mechanical, I reckon I'll chuck a probably a 6 terabyte into that, I reckon. I'm not 100% sure, but between Seagate and Western Digital, I reckon Western Digital have that slight overtop of the overtop of Seagate. Do have multiple of either of them, so it doesn't matter as much. Now the hybrid drive, I'll chuck in a 2 terabyte Seagate there. Storage 2, I reckon. I reckon if I chuck a 2 terabyte 850 Evo series, that should be more than enough, I reckon. Mechanical, I'll chuck the 6 terabyte in there. Alright, so I've got the 8 times external DVD writer. I won't touch any of this because I don't really do much with CDs or DVDs anymore. Playback software, I'll definitely go the only option available, which is Cyberlink Power DVD 16 Ultra. I have used Cyberlink before. I used them, I think, for my web camera and whatever else. So audio, I'll chuck in the Creative Sound Blaster E3 amplifier. As with the headset I've got now, which is the Razer Tiamat 7.1 series, that's 7.1 surround sound. I just have to get the cable I need to plug everything into the one. Now networking, I'll definitely use the okay, what's coming up here? Okay, so I won't worry about I won't worry too much. Okay, it won't let me put any network stuff on there by the looks of it, but I'll stick with what I got. Capture card, I definitely put the Live Gamer Extreme LGX on there, and the wooden crate I'll definitely have. Lifetime warranty. USB 3 flash drive, recoveries, and definitely go for the rest. Alright, so what's next? Accessories is next, so I'll continue on to that. This is going to cost me at least, I reckon, 9,000 maybe. Accessories, that's like apparel and bundles. Keyboards, here we go. Now, I'll definitely be using Razer. So pretty much everything Razer I'll go for. Gaming controllers, I'm not much of an Xbox player, I'm more of a PlayStation or PC player. Primary displays, I reckon I'll jump up to a 32, 27 for this top section. Oh, you can only choose one. Okay, so I'll go 32, and secondary, I'll jump that with a 32. And as you can see, the subtotal over here is close to 1100 as it is, but there's still more to go. So display accessories, I'll use the 3D vision tube. Hang on. Yeah, I won't worry about the display accessories there at the moment. Headset, I've already got my headset, but if I had to choose, I'd definitely go the Razer Kraken 7.1 chroma, but I don't need them. Speaker system, I'm a bit torn between the Razer 5.1 soundbar or the Sound Blaster X7. I think I might go with the Sound Blaster X7 though. Now Logitech, I'll definitely go with their Pro webcam. Now game discounts, I'll chuck that in, why not. Now the games I can choose, which, can I do more than one? Yeah, I can. Okay. Yep, that'll do for now. External, I could do all this sort of stuff myself, but yeah, if I was to chuck something on, I would just go all out and chuck the T3 portable 2TB solid state on there. Definitely chuck the antivirus for PC gamers. Now productivity software, I would have to go, I think, I don't like the 365 too much, although I haven't had much to do with it, so at the moment I'm just going with what I already know about this software. And yeah, bugger it, I'll put that. Yeah, I'll put the 365 on there. Definitely cloud backup. Apps. Definitely Steam. The other clients I don't use. Any extras? Nope. Now web browser, I'll definitely keep it as Google Chrome. So what's next to do? Alright, so as you can see, this will be the end of this video. As you can see, my subtotal is $12,627 for my build, which I probably could minimize the subtotal on that a bit, but I'm not going to. So yeah, that ends this video for today. I'm going to get started on recording the part 2. Basically the part 2 of this one. So this one here was the origin website up in the top left hand corner. The next one I'll be doing is from a different website, but yeah, in the intro to my other video I will definitely bring back this, and I'll put the link from this video, from this hydrogen video, into the other video as well, and that'll be part 2. So yep, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and feel free to leave any comments or feedback down below. So that's it. I'll see you in the next one.